Help Thomas and his friends make deliveries all over the island of Sodor. Play. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. Choose who will make the next delivery. Percy. Percy must deliver the crates of bread to the fair. Show Cranky where the crates of bread are. That's it! Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Show Cranky where the orange cargo car is. That's it! Percy set out for the fair. Suddenly, Percy had to stop because of track repairs. He would have to go another way. Show Percy the track that goes nearest to the hedge. Percy was on the wrong track. He needed to go a different way. Show Percy the track that goes nearest to the hedge. Let's go! Percy puffed proudly into the fair. With your help, he was right on time. Play again. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. Thomas must deliver the luggage to Knapford Station. Help Cranky find the luggage. There you go. Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Show Cranky where the white coach is. That's it! Huffing and puffing, Thomas set out for Knapford Station. Suddenly, Thomas had to stop. He would have to go another way. Find the track that goes nearest to the smallest building. All clear! Thomas puffed proudly into Knapford Station. With your help, he was a really useful engine. Play again. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. James must deliver the sheep to Farmer McCall's farm. Help Cranky find the sheep. That's it! Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Show Cranky where the yellow flatbed with the arrow is. Wait a minute. We're looking for a... That's it! James pumped his pistons and puffed out of the docks. Suddenly, James had to stop because of track repairs. He needed to go a different way. Show James the track that goes nearest to the shortest fence. Let's go! James puffed proudly into Farmer McCall's farm. With your help, he was right on time. Play again. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. Diesel must deliver the crates of cake to the fair. Show Cranky where the crates of cake are. That's it! Let's lift and load.